Welcome to the Mueller Co Service Desk Portal Guide. In this guide, we will instruct you on how to use the portal to fill out support requests. The address to the portal is http://servicedesk/. To access the portal, the user must be logged on the Mueller Company internal network via a device attached with a wired or wireless connection, i.e. logging in normally to your PC or laptop at a Mueller Company facility. To reach the portal from a remote location, the user will need to be logged into the network via an appropriate VPN connection. If accessing the portal remotely, user must log on to the Mueller Company internal network via an appropriate VPN connection. Enter the appropriate VPN connection URL. Note: check with your local administrator for your appropriate VPN connection URL if one is necessary. Click Connect. Sign in with username and password. Verify the connection is successful. Afterwards, you can access the portal at http://servicedesk/. When a user accesses the portal, they will be taken to a portal logon page where the user can log on with the normal username and password ordinarily used to log on to their local PC or laptop. Note: the Mueller Company Service Desk portal uses a single sign-on login feature that will automatically log the user in when they access the portal. Inside the Mueller Company Service Desk portal. This is the customer homepage view from inside the portal where users will go to create a support request. The customer interface includes a welcome message, contact information for issues with the portal's functionality or usability, a list of all the user's previously submitted support requests. The customer's My Request option has a drop-down box with options that allow the customer to view all active requests by selecting the My Active Requests option, or view all previously submitted and resolved issues by selecting the My Closed Requests option. The Requests information bar gives the customer detailed information pertaining to a submitted request, such as the request's number, title, status, last update, which helps the customer track information concerning the requests. Submitting a new support request. To submit a new support request, the user will click the New Request tab on the portal home page. Clicking the New Request tab on the portal home page will bring up the New Request Issue form. New Request Issue Form Part 1. Note: all fields listed in red are mandatory fields and must be populated to proceed. These fields include a title field used to identify the title of your issue request, i.e. Outlook issue, hard drive failing, etc. This section also includes personal information fields used to identify the customer's contact information, such as last name, first name, email address, user ID, phone number, supervisor, department, and site. Note: the personal information fields should be auto-populated when you click the New Request tab to submit a support request. Scroll down to access the remaining fields on the form. New Request Issue Form Part 2. The Issue Information section contains a Problem Type field used to identify the type of problem. Click the drop-down box in the Problem Type field to access your choices of problem types. Selecting a problem type will initiate a category type selection for the associated problem type, i.e. selecting a hardware problem type will give you the option to select the type of hardware category that matches the hardware problem type. Click the drop-down box in the Category field to access your choices of problem type categories. Selecting a category will initiate a problem symptom field that is associated with the selected problem type category, i.e. selecting hardware modem category will give you the option to select a symptom type that corresponds to modem issues. Click the drop-down box in the Symptom field to access your choices of problem category type symptoms. Use the Description field to give an explanation of the issue for which you are requesting support, i.e., my hard drive is constantly spinning and my PC is running slow. I am unable to open attachments in my Outlook email application, etc. Scroll down to access the remaining fields of the form. New Request Issue Form Part 3. In the Attachments section of the form is an attachment field for the user to upload supporting documents pertaining to their support issue request. Clicking the active Attach Files tab will initiate the Attachments window for users to upload supporting documentation for their support issue request. Note: the attachment window explains the size limitation on attachments that can be uploaded. Use the Browse tab to search for files on your local PC or from an external storage location. Select a file and click Open to upload the file to the portal. When you select a file, click Go to upload your attachment. Use the Additional Email Notifications field to send an email of the submitted request to additional persons to be notified about the submitted request. When all information has been entered concerning the request, click Save to submit the request. The submitted request will show up on the user's home page of the portal under the My Requests tab. Create support request from external email source. In addition to logging on to the Service Desk portal, customers may also submit service requests from an external email account, i.e. hotmail.com, yahoo.com, gmail.com, etc. Log into your external email account. Once inside the external email account, the user should compose a new email to the address servicedesk@muellercompany.com. Type the title of the issue in the subject line of the email and type a description of the issue in the body of your email message. Then submit the email request. Once the emailed request has been submitted, the user will receive a confirmation email from the Service Desk that the issue has been submitted. This now concludes this guide. Thank you for watching this training video.